That's what woke me up last night. Well, Thanksgiving morning. The first guy has furnace problems. Let's see. Well, luckily I got a heat pump. Because what I'm going to do is what am I going to do? I'm going to take my W off that runs to my furnace, so I don't start the furnace because my inducer motor's shot. I'm going to jump out Y1, Y2. Let me get a jumper really quick. Alright, so what we did is I disconnected my auxiliary heat wire, which is my furnace, so I don't go into auxiliary heat. And I had to change settings upstairs to electric heat backup, so this thing wouldn't shut the heat pump off. So I took a jumper and I put it between Y1, Y2, so it's second stage. I'm running second stage heat pump. But I'm not going to invest any other money into this furnace. It's a 2006, and yeah, I got some videos on this furnace. It just doesn't, it's not efficient. It runs 150 degree flue temp. It doesn't condensate. It's just a junker. Builder's grade furnace. So we'll have a install video coming. Alright guys, happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you on the next one.